Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are on our way to San Fernando, Pampanga para mag-attend ng first anniversary ng Raptor Pilipinas. Gaganapin ito sa Laos Event Center sa San Fernando. The event is scheduled at 5 p.m. so maaga pa lang naghahanda na yung mga admins. So nakakabit sila ng mga streamers dito sa may entrance at nag-prepare din ng stage para sa big celebration. We rented the venue at naglagay kami ng stage at meron kaming video wall para sa mga presentations. Meron din kaming exhibit dito sa entrance, dito sa may open space. Dito magdi-display ng mga rigs yung aming sponsors at nauna kaming dumating nitong naka-blue kasi kasama yung aming unit sa mga i-display. Maya-maya, unti-unti nang nagdatingan yung mga sponsors namin together dun sa mga rigs na i-display nila. Ang concept namin is merong display dito sa labas at meron ding booth doon sa loob sa mga sponsors. Wala kaming event coordinator kaya kami na lang mga admins ang nag-organize nito. Meron din kaming inorganize na convoy ng mga participants na manggagaling doon sa Petron and Lex Marilao. So we expect them to arrive at the venue at around 2:30 p.m. So habang hinihintay namin sila, inaayos muna namin yung mga display ng mga sasakyan dito. Maganda yung lugar kasi merong bubong dito sa may entrance. So kahit mainit, okay lang mag-display ng sasakyan. Kahit umulan, okay din. We expect about 200 people including our guests and sponsors and about 80 Raptor owners. We are happy sa turnout kasi ang daming mga members na mag-a-attend. Marami kaming mga activities, meron kaming award for Raptor of the Day, yung clean setup, saka yung rugged setup. Madami din kaming mga ipaparapol na mga items at meron din kaming bingo games. We will also welcome yung mga new members and we will also give cakes sa mga birthday celebrants. Naging tradisyon na ng grupo na magbigay ng cake sa mga birthday celebrants for a particular month. So every EB, meron kaming ganitong activity. There is also a portion in the program where we will introduce yung mga new members. We will ask them about their backgrounds and their reasons for joining the club. We will also have bingo games as part of our fundraising activity. Kasi mahirap din gumalaw kapag walang pondo ang club. Mga 2:30 p.m. dumating na yung convoy na nagsimula dun sa Petron gas station dito sa Marilao sa North Luzon Expressway. Inorganize namin yung parking. So merong separate parking sa mga sponsors, sa mga guests, sa mga admins, at saka sa mga members. So heto na yung mga members, nagdatingan na, nagpapark na sila dito sa designated parking area. Later, pupunta dyan sa parking area ang ating mga judges para piliin yung Raptor of the Day. Meron kaming dalawang categories, yung clean setup at saka yung rugged setup. Ang gandang tingnan kapag magkakatabi ang mga Ranger Raptor. Makikita mo, iba't iba yung setup, iba-iba yung mga upgrades. So you would see yung mga different taste ng mga owners. Ang popular color dito sa group namin is yung white at saka yung orange. Kapag kasi bumili ka ng orange color, may additional cost yun kasi parang special color siya. Kaya mas mahal siya ng konti. So parang kokonti lang yung gray, yung black at saka yung blue. At ito nga pala yung rig ko. Simple lang siya. Naka size 35s na mags, body colored fender flares, at saka automatic na side steps. Naka-wide fender flares nga pala ako. Ganyan lang yung look na gusto ko. Simple at clean. Ito naman yung mga rigs na display ni Autobot. Heavily modified sila at ready for camping. So mga 3 p.m. na ito, nagdatingan na yung ating mga members. So nag-ikot sila dito sa mga naka-display natin na units. And then meron din kaming snacks dito outside. So habang hinihintay yung official opening ng event na around 5 p.m., dito muna sa labas ang mga members para makapagkumustahan. And then afterwards, nagsimula na rin ang registration. So dito pumila na yung mga members para makuha nila yung kanilang mga kits. Meron tayong mga souvenir t-shirt, pwede rin silang bumili ng ating mga merchandise. And then, meron din kaming photo booth dito sa may entrance. Dito rin kami nagbenta ng aming bingo cards para sa aming fundraising activity. Meron ding booth dito si Autobot Off-Road para sa kanilang mga merchandise. At pagpasok mo sa loob, ganito yung itsura niya. Ang malagyan ng tables and chairs, ma-set up yung stage, maglagay ng mga lighting effects, ang ganda na naging itsura ng venue. So habang hindi pa nagsisimula yung program at naghihintay yung ating mga members, inintroduce muna natin yung mga products ng ating mga sponsors. Meron din muna tayong mga snacks at saka drinks. Then afterwards, in-acknowledge natin yung ating mga sponsors. And then nagsimula na ang program at around 5 p.m. And then I did the opening remarks.
Outreach activities and shared passion for the Ford Raptor. On behalf of our officers and organizers, thank you all our members, guests, sponsors, partners, and supporters for joining us tonight here at the Laos Event Center.
Then we showed our AVP. Then we acknowledge our sponsors by showing their logos dito sa video wall. We thank Grease Heads, Unbreakable Mat, Ford Pampanga,
Of the Laos Auto Group. Thank you also to Team Car Center, ito po sa Banawe. Auto and Company, Air Protection. And also to Studio Botanica.
and then we called the Managing Director of Ford Philippines, si Pedro Simos, to give us his welcome message.
Good evening, everyone. Magandang gabi, Raptor Pilipinas. Well, first of all, thank you so much for having me here tonight. Right? And watching that video makes me so proud to be part of this event, to be proud of, celebrating the first anniversary with such an amazing group and club that, we can see it in the video. I want to start to obviously congratulate the admins and the club heads for this amazing event. I know this is not easy to put together. A lot of hard work, and Levi said it earlier. I really want everyone to a round of applause for everyone that worked hard to put this together. Thank you.
Then pagkatapos ng speech ni Pedro, tinawag natin yung mga sponsors para sa kanilang product presentation.
Business, some for family road trips, and others simply enjoy the proud of owning one of the best pickup trucks on the road.
After natin hugasan yung sasakyan, isine-spray po natin siya, tapos babanlawan ulit. Then after po natin banlawan, tsaka po natin siya pupunasin. So, with an extra 5 minutes to our...
Sa steadfast eh. Kasi kapag nagkapirong sa steadfast, matik may gastos na. Kaya yun ang nagiging steadfast ang tawag nila sa akin. So, thank you, congratulations.
Anyway, ako nga po pala si Benedict Rapanan. Ang hawak ko pong branch is Autobot Off-Road Nueva Ecija. So, si Kuya Randy and si Ara makikita niyo po sa Autobot HQ Plus. HQ Plus po yung nag-handle ng mga BMS naman natin. So, meron din po tayo nun. And syempre, Autobot Main sa Quezon City is for the builds, and Nueva Ecija, ganun.
And then meron din tayong bingo games.
Oo, yun. Sa I. Dito na pala. I pala ang nawawala. I. Uwen.
Overall, naging very successful yung first year anniversary ng Raptor Pilipinas. Despite our busy schedule, we were able to do it. And here is a glimpse of our activities with the same day edit, done by Butterfly Effect.
Raptor Pilipinas was founded last year, August 1. Same time last year. So we're celebrating our first year anniversary. We hope to propagate the love for our Ranger Raptor. Meron kaming mga charity activities din na ginagawa to pay back sa ating community.
Out of mobilizing people, we were about 80 trucks on the way here, over 200 people. You know, it humbles me, it makes me so proud to work for a brand that has this power of bringing these people together.
Tonight is more than just a celebration of 1 year as a club. It is a celebration of friendship formed, memories created, adventures shared, and community that has grown stronger with every kilometer we have traveled together. Our Raptors may have brought us together, but it is our respect for one another, our willingness to help, our shared adventures, and our genuine friendship that have transformed this club into a family.
To everyone here tonight, thank you for choosing to be part of this community. And thank you for proudly representing the Raptor brand and the Raptor name. So I want to invite everyone to raise a glass to another year of friendship, adventure, and unforgettable memories. To being build Raptor tough together. Cheers, everyone. Thank you so much. Happy anniversary, Raptor Pilipinas, and for another amazing year. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
So after ng program, nagkaroon ng kaunting party to celebrate yung success ng ating activity. We hope na sa second year anniversary, mas mapapaganda pa natin ang ating program. Happy kami kasi naging very successful yung event at kahit wala kaming event coordinator, maganda naman ang kinalabasan. We are very proud of what we have accomplished. Marami ding oras ang ginamit natin sa preparation, mga weekly meetings, mga Google Meets, at coordination sa mga suppliers at saka sa mga sponsors. And mind you, we came from different backgrounds and the admins really worked together to make this event possible. It's not easy but we were able to do it. Okay, hanggang dito na lang. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see you again in my next vlog. Bye!